All right, it's Monday, January 23rd. It is about 20 degrees outside, slight wind. We got snow on the ground. My fingers are frozen. I'm going to take my Baer Thunder Wrench Special. I'm going to shoot 2 courses of fire here, 2 drills. On the bottom B8 target, I'm going to shoot the 5-yard Roundup. What that is, I'm going to use a 2.5 second par time. The first stage, I'm going to draw from concealment, fire 1 round within 2.5 seconds. Then I'm going to go to low ready on the buzzer, bring it up, shoot 4 rounds, 2.5 seconds. Reload, go to strong hand only, 3 rounds in 2.5 seconds, and then transfer the gun to my left hand, shoot 2 rounds in 2.5 seconds. Trying to shoot 90 points cumulative score. My preference, my goal for me, my standard would be 95 or better. Helps if you shoot this cold, literally and figuratively here. I haven't shot much in January, so be a good test for me this morning. After I do that, I'm going to move back to 30 feet. I'm going to shoot the top B8 target. I'm going to do the Ken Hackathorns, the test, 10 rounds, 10 yards, 10 seconds, trying to shoot 90 points or higher. So I'll have to move the camera, but we'll see how this goes. So make sure I'm loaded. And I am. I'm at 15 feet. Got my timer set for a 2.5 second part time. I'm going to shoot the bottom target. Start off here. 1 round, 2.5 seconds. Here we go. I made the part time. That was. Okay, I made the part time. That was a 9. That was 1.96 seconds. That cost me 1 point. Okay. 1 point. Okay. Now I'm going to go to 2 hands from the low ready, 4 rounds in 2.5 seconds. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to go to 2 hands from the low ready, 4 rounds in 2.5 seconds. There we go. Okay. That also cost me a point. Down 2 9s at this point, so I'm going to reload. That was 1.82 seconds. Did not need to shoot that fast. All right, now I'm going to go low ready, strong hand only, 3 rounds, 2.5 seconds. There we go. And again, I'm down a point. All right. Last stage, I'm going to go fast. All right, now I'm going to go low ready, strong hand only, 3 rounds, 2.5 seconds. There we go. And again, I'm down a point. All right. Last stage, I'm going to go, that was 2.15 seconds. Last stage, I'm going to go low ready, weak hand only, but this time just 2 rounds. All right, here we go. Stand by. All right. Each stage costs each. Last stage, I'm going to go low ready, weak hand only, but this time just 2 rounds. All right, here we go. Stand by. All right. Each stage cost me a point. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 96. That would be a pass. All right. So now what I'm going to do. You can see the 30-foot brick. Now this is going to be shot on the top target. From the low ready, this is going to be a little bit slower pace shooting. I'm going to shoot 10 rounds in 10 seconds, striving for just accuracy, trying to get 90 points or higher on the B8. So, I'll transfer magazines here, put a 10 rounder in. I'm going to shoot 10 rounds, 10 seconds on the top B8. There we go. Okay, I forgot to change my par timer. I saw it set 2.5 seconds, but you see there, I shot that in 8.94. We'll go take a look here. Oh, okay. I dropped one, so that's 3, 4, and 5. That's a 95 on the Hackathorn with my hands freezing cold. All right. Now we're indoors, it's warmer. We can take a little closer look at our targets. The bottom target, I shot the 5-yard roundup. I'm trying to shoot 90 or more points in the 2.5-second par time for each stage. I made the par times. I shot a little bit faster than I needed to, so that cost me some points. So I'm down 1, 2, those are 9s. This is cutting the line, so it's actually a 10. That 9 is close, but it's actually a 9. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I'm down 4, shot a 96. Then the top target, I moved back to 30 feet. Ken Hackathorn's the test. It's 10 rounds at 10 yards, fired in 10 seconds. I'm a low ready. Got to score 90 or more. So I shot a 7. I'm not sure which number that was, but we were able to tell from the other camera. So that's plowed the muzzle there. And so down 3, down 4. That's close to cutting the line. You could argue that's a 10. I'm going to call it a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5. So I scored a 95 out of 100. Every once in a while, my wibbles will cancel out my wobbles and I'll shoot a clean score, a possible of 100. But normally, if I shoot 95 or higher, that's what I'm aiming for. Pretty good for January. I haven't shot much this year. It's cold outside. My hands are freezing. So I'll take that for a start. My goal here is to shoot a different course of fire or different drill each month and make a video using a different handgun. So this month, gun of the month is my Thunder Ranch Special 45. And I shot 2 drills. I shot the 5-yard roundup and the test. And so I want to try to get a little bit better, but we're getting off to a good start here in January. So that's our first video of the year.